It's a really privilege to come back for the second year. Like we said, actually this time around, we've seen different sets of students, and these students also have different life experiences, and in which case it's been a real pleasure to be able to interact with the MBA students at Heriot-Watt. I hope that actually through my sharing sessions with the team today, they take away a little bit of some nuggets on potentially how to negotiate in their, whether it's in a career or their personal journeys as they go through the next many years to come. I think it's really about knowing yourself well, knowing the whys, why you actually do something, and therefore actually being able to exactly know the purpose of any interaction or any of the career that they want to build or the business that they want to build is going to be a real important, I think, step in defining what they're going to be able to do next and what they can achieve. And work can be very mundane and there's lots of noise. To be able to very clearly actually what drives you, whether is it for your own personal life or what drives you actually for the organization you're trying to build. It's important in then enabling you to take the right decisions every single time.
As we had a very insightful session with Ms Lai Pei Si, and as she mentioned very rightly, that you need to know your purpose, the whys when you start any new journey with a company, even for the industry as well. When you are clear for your whys and the purpose, then only you can know what is, when and how you are gonna do it. And also you need to know the decision maker. When you know the decision maker, then it's very easy to navigate through the process and one at what you want and what the goal you wanted to achieve.
Going today, I think I see the speaker being very resilient in terms of negotiating. So she shared about her experiences and how it translates from her starting as a young person, negotiating with her mom, and bringing it all the way up to her professional part where she's able to apply but also expand because working life is already much more complicated. So negotiation skills, she demonstrated how it's done.
I'll say I think it's very much relevant to for my portfolio because I'm working as a sales manager. So daily basis I have to deal with the clients, getting the new client acquisitions and even working on the existing clientele as well. So I think so knowing why I am doing this, what is the purpose of my company and what is the purpose of the end client and aligning it well will definitely help me reduce the timeline before I achieve the deal. So I think so definitely it was very helpful and gonna apply it soon.
I would recommend this faculty series to others because you get to see the real world experiences and they bring in like really experienced people to come and share, to have a little bit of discussion. You can see where you stand and where you want to be, and from there, using the MBA program, you can also learn and develop.